not so bad.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mixed response.
What is that?
Mixed feelings.
Like what?
Like I'm good, not so bad,
Hmm.
somewhere in middle.
So that is called yoga in the middle.
Mm, that's true. Yeah, balanced.
Yeah. So what is this? The journey from IIT, IIM, then yoga. How does it feel like?
Okay, so it was NIT.
Mm-hmm.
I could not get admission to IIT.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, so it was. So yeah, I was into corporate.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I went into a conventional education system. I did job in corporate for 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
IT e-commerce industry, but that
So,
was
but
not my calling.
like NIT is or NIT, IIT. These schools are like very tough to get into, and it is very hard to get admissions also. Like how was it like for you? Like, what was changed on you at that particular time to this particular time?
See, at that time, I was very young.
Mm-hmm.
I was very young. I was 18-year-old, 19-year-old. So I
Mm-hmm.
was doing what I would see my community or my parents would like me to do.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So my
Mm-hmm.
goal was very typical, like to get into a good college,
Mm-hmm.
do a job, earn, and that was the definition of being independent,
Mm-hmm.
self-sufficient. But in the back of my mind, I knew that I have
Mm-hmm.
to uh, do something for the community because my childhood, entire childhood, I have spent in Dantewada, Bacheli, Kirandul, which are
Mm-hmm.
Naxalite areas in southern part of Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
where I have seen the situation of tribal population very closely.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, so so in the back of my head, I knew that my education or my work or anything
Mm-hmm.
will will actually be fulfilled if I am able to do something for the community,
Mm-hmm.
something more connecting, something more effective for them, something which is beyond just doing a job. So when you are doing a job or when you're serving
Mhm,
in a
mhm,
company, you're not
mhm,
you're not actually directly contributing anything for the community.
mhm,
The
mhm,
situation of your people, your
mhm,
country's people, people who are
mhm,
not so privileged, is still the
mhm,
same.
mhm,
Nothing has changed. And
mhm,
I felt that I am giving all my energy, my mind, my soul, everything
mhm,
to a
mhm,
corporate,
mhm, mhm,
which I did not find extremely satisfying from my core.
mhm, mhm,
And I
mhm,
did that for 10 years. I also, so,
mhm,
but I was not confident enough to take this plunge to
mhm,
do something of my own. So I thought maybe I should get some knowledge of business constructs.
mhm,
So then IIM happened. So in IIM, I built that
mhm,
confidence. I got in touch with world class professors,
mhm,
good batchmates, alums. So
mhm,
then I built little bit of confidence. After that, also I did job for few years. I
mhm,
had good savings,
mhm,
and then I decided to take that plunge. Also,
mhm,
I now I'm 33. I'll be 34
mhm,
soon. So
mhm,
if not now, then when? Like this was also a
mhm,
question in my mind. That
mhm,
time doesn't stop for anybody,
mhm,
and if you really feel like doing something, it's you should be able to take a plunge because I don't have any
mhm,
liabilities in my life.
mhm,
Uh, I don't. Nobody is dependent on me,
mhm, mhm,
on my salary. Nobody is, only
mhm,
I am.
mhm,
so
mhm,
so then I thought that if I cannot do this now, then
Mhm.
when? Also,
Mhm.
I
Mhm.
developed this gut condition of Barrett's esophagus when I was in Mumbai.
Mhm.
It really scared me. It made me think that life is actually really short.
Mhm.
Anything can happen.
Mhm.
So, because as you age, you build some kind of ailments. You know, your
Mhm.
energy level is also not as high
Mhm.
as when
Mhm.
you're in your teens.
Mhm.
I feel better, I feel more grounded, but that's the
Mhm.
fact. Body
Mhm.
body follows its course. Time doesn't
Mhm.
wait. So
Mhm.
so that was kind of pinching in my heart, and
Mhm.
yeah,
So
and I was always
what was the
passionate.
what was that about the Naxalite affected areas in India? This is something which is really interested to look into. That what part of area it was like. I'll pull out the map of India. Wait, uh, I'll share my screen.
Sure.
I think you can see my screen now, right? Hello.
Not yet.
One second. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
So if we see which area of India this was like,
So you
where
zoom
you're at.
into Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh mein you go to southern tip of Chhattisgarh, the tip of Chhattisgarh state. You type Balladila or Bacheli, Bacheli,
Becheli.
Bacheli, Bacheli.
Becheli.
It's a beautiful place.
Hmm.
So my dad used to work with NMDC with some mining
So this
PSU.
this area.
The southern tip of that area. That's the entire state.
Okay. Okay.
That's the entire Chhattisgarh state. The
So
southern part.
around this part, like the where you can see my mouse pointer,
Yeah,
right?
it comes in news also. It's a very
Uh-huh.
highly Naxalite affected place.
What they exactly wanted from there? What is happening there?
Sorry?
What they exactly wanted from there? What is happening there exactly? I mean,
See,
have you ever came into contact with any of these people?
see, I
Mm-hmm.
was born in 19 so from 1991 to
Mm-hmm.
2009. I
Mm-hmm.
was in that place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now from 2007 and
Mm-hmm.
from 2006 or 2007,
Mm-hmm.
before 2006 2007, it
Mm-hmm.
I remember in ninth and 10th standard everything was fine. It was a
Mm-hmm.
beautiful hilly region,
Mm-hmm.
small town,
Mm-hmm.
living safely in quarters of NMDC.
Mm-hmm.
Everything was good childhood, amazing
Mm-hmm.
childhood.
Mm-hmm.
After 10th,
Mm-hmm.
suddenly the Naxalism activity became very
Mm-hmm.
hyper there.
Mm-hmm.
I was not focusing on exactly what were the political dynamics, etc., because I was more focusing on preparing for my entrance exams,
Mm-hmm.
for my engineering entrance exams, AIEEE
Mm-hmm.
and JE. I was more focusing on that. The side effect was because of this activism, we
Mm-hmm.
rarely got teachers in schools.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
because of which, I was very much self dependent. So, I had to study
Mm-hmm.
myself. Luckily, because of my parents' support, my dad's NMDC connects, I could
Mm-hmm.
note down the book names and he could get
Mm-hmm.
it from Hyderabad or
Mm-hmm.
Vishakhapatnam or Bhilai or Raipur.
Mm-hmm.
Raipur is the capital city of Chhattisgarh. So
Mm-hmm.
I luckily I had those resources, but
Mm-hmm.
there were no conventional good teachers as such.
Mm-hmm.
For the
Because they are
subjects which,
scared. They are kind of scared to come there and teach out there also.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it used to come under very hard station of
Mm-hmm.
Kendriya Vidyalaya KV. I was a KV student. Earlier I was in
Mm-hmm.
convent and then moved to KV. So
Mm-hmm.
it was a very hard station category
Mm-hmm.
place. So
Mm-hmm.
teachers
Mm-hmm.
would definitely did not feel safe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And sometimes during May June there used to be blackout, so there was no
Mm-hmm.
electricity for weeks.
Mm-hmm.
So I literally
Mm-hmm.
remember studying under candlelight, torch,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
because I was
Mm-hmm.
so crazy and determined to get into a good college.
Okay.
That was
Mm-hmm.
really a good struggle, but it was not feeling like a struggle because of my family's support, my sister, my
Mm-hmm.
dad, my mom.
Mm-hmm.
So it did not feel like that much of a struggle, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it was painful.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that made me think that I have to do something really huge.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise all this struggle, everything is not worth if I just
Mm-hmm.
keep working as a salaried employee in a company and I die.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So that is the reason which made you to move into yoga.
No, that is the
Mm-hmm.
reason which made me ambitious.
Okay. Okay. All
That is the
right.
reason which made me
Mm-hmm.
ambitious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yoga came way later when I
Mm-hmm.
entered into, even in school, when I entered into fitness domain, when I was body
Mm-hmm.
shamed because I was very chubby,
Mm-hmm.
very mota mota kid, eating maa
Mm-hmm.
ke haath ka khana, so very
Mm-hmm.
tasty, good food. So I was very chubby and I used to enjoy my
Mm-hmm.
body, but I used to get
Mm-hmm.
teased and body shamed a lot in
Mm-hmm.
colleges,
Mm-hmm.
schools, and in corporate also. So then I
Mm-hmm.
entered into this fitness journey, and
Mm-hmm.
then I lost a few kgs. Then I felt better also.
Mm-hmm.
I started feeling better from inside.
Mm-hmm.
Everything changed. So then I continued it. I used to do yoga week may
Mm-hmm.
once or twice, but I was not very deep into yoga
Mm-hmm.
philosophy
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. This came when I got this health condition of Barrett's esophagus
Mm-hmm.
recently, like 2 years ago.
What it is, Bharat esophagus? I couldn't even say it like.
Barrett's Barrett's esophagus is something which so your gut, a
Mm-hmm.
tissue gets mutation happens in one of the tissue.
Mm-hmm.
The reason is unknown. It
Mm-hmm.
can be anything. It can be because of the stored anxiety or fear from your
Mm-hmm.
childhood, from all these
Mm-hmm.
years, whatever has happened.
Mm-hmm.
And reason is not known. It is basically
Mm-hmm.
because your gut and brain coordination has disrupted.
Mm-hmm.
So the tissue inside your gut, which is just near stomach lining, has
Mm-hmm.
mutated,
Mm-hmm.
and this can rarely be reversed. Once it's
Mm-hmm.
mutated, it's mutated. Now
Mm-hmm.
it can only go worse from there. Can
Mm-hmm.
lead to cancer
Mm-hmm.
if not controlled.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There is very rare chance of getting
Mm-hmm.
into that zone, but
Mm-hmm.
one cannot take risk.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
In such situation, doctor
Mm-hmm.
suggested that you should go deep into yoga,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
deep breathing, yoga,
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
there is actually no other solution.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
have shown to best of the best gastroenterologists in the
Mm-hmm.
country,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no literal solution. Everybody just asks me to control my nervous system, be
Mm-hmm.
stress free, do deep
Mm-hmm.
breathing,
Mm-hmm.
or stay away from your triggers. What triggers
Mm-hmm.
you?
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
certain food items.
Mm-hmm.
But food items don't play a very huge role, I came to know
Mm-hmm.
recently. It is more
Mm-hmm.
about your mind
Mm-hmm.
being calm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Mm-hmm.
very rare condition,
Mm-hmm.
which, and I did not realize that I was storing all this inside me and this has happened.
Mm-hmm.
So then I thought ki health has to be the first priority because then
Mm-hmm.
everything goes waste.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
You cannot
So
enjoy your life.
because of that, it's took your life into the direction of yoga.
Yes, direction of yoga. I always wanted to do my own business, so everything
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
combined, and I
mm-hmm,
took this path, and then I kept moving on deeper, deeper,
mm-hmm,
because I
mm-hmm,
started enjoying it. So I went deeper,
mm-hmm,
deeper. I started seeing its impact on my community.
mm-hmm,
So all my, especially my closed ones, my friends and all, everybody
mm-hmm,
started, thinking about their health, some form
mm-hmm,
of exercise,
mm-hmm,
yoga. So
mm-hmm,
it had a very good impact around. So
mm-hmm,
I really like
mm-hmm,
that. I
mm-hmm,
intend
mm-hmm,
to build my reach further
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
for
So how
everybody
is
too.
it going so far? Like, what is your I mean, you are also doing something like, unfiltered gyan or something, which I
Yeah.
can see in you. So what is that 10 things, if I'm asking you, what is the 10 things you think that is crazy? Like, for example, I'll show you something. This is, Vikram hot yoga.
Yeah, Vikram Yoga, yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you that thing. Yeah, so he is actually teaching a group of people. Can you hear the
Mm-hmm.
audio? Can you hear the audio? Am I showing to you?
No, I'm trying to hear.
Okay, one second. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Can you see now?
Yeah, yeah.
So like,
Hmm.
so this is like, he's doing some poses.
Sorry, I have to eat after every few minutes.
What is it?
Because of my condition, I have to eat after every few minutes. So I'll be seen munching.
Okay, okay.
Mhm. Yeah, I can see the video actually. He's doing some
Mm-hmm.
form of workout. Yeah.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So then, if a general person, like somebody, if somebody look into this thing, they may feel like, like bit things. I mean, little bit crazy of this thing. This is a bit crazy. What he is doing, things like that. So what is the 10? I mean, that is for general public. Is there any 10 things that you think it is bit of crazy in happening in yoga?
See, personally
Mm-hmm.
in yoga, I don't find anything crazy. Even the video
Mm-hmm.
which you shown, for me, it was
Mm-hmm.
not crazy,
Mm-hmm.
because the person who is preaching it might have
Mm-hmm.
practiced it himself and
Mm-hmm.
felt something inside
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
change. So he is
Mm-hmm.
trying to share his understanding and learning.
Mm-hmm.
And you could see in that video that many people have gathered also.
Yeah,
So they
exactly.
are also doing the same thing. So they might be feeling something which we are not
Mm-hmm.
aware.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
In yoga, what I have learned is we view the world from the lens of what we are aware, and what our mind can see,
Mm-hmm.
or what
Mm-hmm.
we have seen ever. But
Mm-hmm.
there is a world or a understanding and things lying beyond that also,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
which we are not aware. So we call it crazy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So crazy ka definition itself is I don't believe in, because if we
Mm-hmm.
have not experienced something, we
Mm-hmm.
don't understand, we are just not able to comprehend, we think it's crazy, but it's not.
Mm-hmm. 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 So you don't.
I believe in overall health, well-being, mental first and
Mm-hmm.
physical.
Mm-hmm.
If that happens through any form,
Mm-hmm.
I am pro that.
Mm-hmm.
You do
Mm-hmm.
any form of yoga, you do any form of workout. My
Mm-hmm.
concept of breathe and tone is to not be dependent on gym ka machine. So
Mm-hmm.
that when
Mm-hmm.
you're traveling and when you're here
Mm-hmm.
and there, you just have
Mm-hmm.
to roll a mat,
Mm-hmm.
or even don't roll a mat. You can do
Mm-hmm.
standing poses also.
Mm-hmm.
You have a wall everywhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
A tree
Mm-hmm.
or something you will have. So
Mm-hmm.
beach, so which is very
Mhm.
refreshing also. So you can do some form of workout basis yoga
Mhm.
and pilates moves,
Mhm.
which impact your mental and physical health also,
Mhm. Mhm.
which has
Mhm.
impacted my health for sure.
Mhm. Mhm.
I
Mhm.
feel and look way better than what I
Mhm.
used to feel a few
Mhm.
years ago.
Mhm. Mhm.
So my concept is just that. I don't find
Mhm.
anything crazy. What I
Mhm.
find crazy is people calling others crazy.
Mhm. Yeah, and yeah, that sounds good. Like, but still, yeah. So when we look into the yoga teachers, there are a lot of yoga teachers are there. Like, for example, I mean, Devi Shankar. I don't know how whether he is teaching the yoga, but there is Sadhguru is there. There he is actually teaching yoga, a form of yoga, and there are many. I mean, we have seen the Vikram actually. He is teaching the hot yoga, so there are different kinds of well established teachers. They are putting their energy and path into a particular direction. So when you look into these teachers, which one you feel connected to?
Uh, I so everybody has their own specialty.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on which cycle of the month I am in.
Mm-hmm.
So women's body, my body is divided into four cycles:
Mm-hmm.
menstruation, follicular state,
Mm-hmm.
ovulation, luteal
Mm-hmm.
phase.
Mm-hmm.
So I pick. See,
Mm-hmm.
I do multiple things.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I learn Bharatnatyam dance also. I do
Mm-hmm.
yoga. Yoga
Mm-hmm.
may I do two three forms: hatha traditional form, vinyasa form,
Mm-hmm.
ashtanga form, face
Mm-hmm.
yoga. I am also
Mm-hmm.
specialized in pregnancy yoga, post pregnancy
Mm-hmm.
recovery,
Mm-hmm.
face yoga.
Mm-hmm.
And so I there are few soft flows in yoga forms. So I
Mm-hmm.
pick and choose these forms depending on what cycle I am, what is my
Mm-hmm.
current state of mind, what I'm feeling
Mm-hmm.
internally. That's very
Mm-hmm.
important, like what you're feeling internally. So when you
Mm-hmm.
have knowledge and when you know your body, you
Mm-hmm.
can pick and choose what you want.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody has their own. I really like Sadhguru's
Mm-hmm.
meditation app because it gives
Mm-hmm.
me alert of meditation, so I don't miss it in the evenings.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
And
I can
also the
set the time.
Coimbatore. I've been to the Coimbatore. That is a
Yeah.
really energetic spot, actually. I
Yeah.
think. Have you been there? Like, I think I can
No,
show.
that's my goal. I have to visit Isha Found Coimbatore. I
I
have
think we
to
can
visit.
see the Isha.
I also appreciate Art of Living's set. So
Uh-huh.
if they are trying to make everybody aware about their health, well-being, mental and physical, and everybody is happy, then it's a good job done, right?
Like, I'll show this actually. Um, you know, pull this out. I think. Can you hear the? Can you see the screen? Well, like this is
Yeah.
inside the Isha Center. Like, can you hear the
Hmm.
audio? Hello.
Is it playing?
Yeah. Can you hear the audio
I
when
cannot
I'm
hear the
playing?
audio, but I can see. Yeah.
Um, So this is basically there is two places when you enter into the Coimbatore Risha Center. The very first entrance, you have to give your bag and your belongings to the gatekeeper, and there is a place where you can take bath. There is separate for men and separate for women. So this is called Surya Kunda, and one is called Chandrakunda. Chandrakunda is for women. That is for feminine entity. Then you can go inside and there is dhyana linka, and there are so many things are been happening, and also there is a light show. So basically this is like, the Sadguru's place is like I think it is like, very energetic place. This is the, yeah. So this is like it's a full story which goes on. Like is a very big statue of the the Adi Yogi, and Sadhguru was doing a lot of a lot of graphics which has been basically done with the help of light, and it will happens over here. You can see that this is one thing you can see in Isha. This is really energetic, and also this Art of Living Center. um this is the Art of Living Center. This is also like, you can go there and can have I think this advertisement is happening. So this is like you can go and can have a meditation there. Like he particularly teaches the what it is called, um Sudarshan Kriya.
Hmm.
So this is a 5 tier building which you can go, and there is a big pond is there that is called mm, Guru Patuka.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a nice place. So there is a lot of energy over here, but I'm not so sure whether Ravi Shankar is not too much into yoga, because I feel Sadhguru's teaching are in yoga. So these things are really confusing for the people who are actually starting. That's why I'm asking you the question, like, which
Mm.
kind of yoga teacher you been feel connected to, like.
That's what I'm saying. That it depends. You can connect to me. I will, you can join my classes. I will
Mm-hmm.
guide you through how to take it ahead.
Mm-hmm.
I am connected to multiple teachers in Mysore, Coimbatore, Rishikesh,
Mm-hmm.
and international teachers as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Depending on what I'm feeling internally, what's my
Mm-hmm.
cycle of the month,
Mm-hmm.
I pick and choose what suits me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that understanding of yourself and body is more important, so you should pick a
Mm-hmm.
teacher who gives you that freedom to help you
Mm-hmm.
understand your own
Mm-hmm.
self and
Mm-hmm.
gives you the right. So disease ke hisab se you have to give medicine, right? Who
Mm-hmm.
gives you the right structure as per
Mm-hmm.
your own body, rather than
Mm-hmm.
just following a certain set philosophy blindly.
Mm-hmm.
It
Mm-hmm.
can be mix and match from here and there depending on your
Mm-hmm.
current needs. Your
Mm-hmm.
needs might change.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Mm-hmm.
trainer has to understand and connect with you and
Mm-hmm.
understand your mind and body to give you that right thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For that,
Mm-hmm.
trainer should have some knowledge, a
Mm-hmm.
formal set of knowledge to give you that
Mm-hmm.
thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I usually avoid. I believe more in asan, heavy asan part, so I connect more
Mm-hmm.
to Mysore,
Mm-hmm.
because I don't believe in, because I believe we are not so much evolved that just by talking we will be feeling well. We need
Mm-hmm.
some form of activity to
Mm-hmm.
focus us. I believe in doing some form of activity to bring
Mm-hmm.
the focus. I
Mm-hmm.
believe
Mm-hmm.
in doing asanas. So I go
Mm-hmm.
deeper into the asanas. My interest lies there. And that
Mm-hmm.
automatically makes one reach a very blank, calm state
Mm-hmm.
when that
Mm-hmm.
set of asana is over in the end.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I believe in going that way. That's why I combine it with Pilates also, so that you have enough
Mm-hmm.
strength also to endure that process. I
Mm-hmm.
don't believe in just sitting at one place and going into dhyan.
Mm-hmm.
That's very, I believe
Yeah, that
actually.
is Gyan Yoga. What you're talking about is Hatha Yoga. So, when you're speaking about the asanas, particularly what you generally focus on, like, there is Hada, Vinyasa, flow. There are multiple kinds of things are there. Which one you feel more interested into?
Sorry, your voice broke in between.
Like there are multiple things, like, there is Hada, Vinyasa, flow, and there are things like that is existing in the yoga. So which one you feel more connected to, which one you feel to uh, which one you, teaches for your students basically?
Again, it depends on the student's needs and mood.
Mm-hmm.
I mix it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm trying to say. I mix it with a
Mm-hmm.
traditional form, mixing it with vinyasa, mixing
Mm-hmm.
it with Pilates.
Mm-hmm.
If the student is ready, I tend to give them a few intense
Mm-hmm.
ashtanga forms of an asana as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And a few days, if I feel that student needs only the core strength moves, I give them pure core strength moves. A few
Mm-hmm.
days I feel that student needs more of meditation and resting and rejuvenation, yin
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
relaxing form. Then
Mm-hmm.
I go into that, the yin form.
Mm-hmm.
If
Mm-hmm.
my student is expecting, wants to be pregnant, or is
Mm-hmm.
pregnant, or is in a
Mm-hmm.
pregnancy recovery state, then there are
Mm-hmm.
different state of flows which are suitable for these stages is done.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I combine it with few face yoga movements also to make it more
Mm-hmm.
holistic. It's not just for external beauty, it has an
Mm-hmm.
internal impact also.
I think some of these things you've been shown in your Instagram, right? Like, we can go through your feed and see how it's, you know,
You
yeah.
will find it very much asan heavy and fun.
So this is your Instagram feed. So, what is these names of, like, some of the things which you can point out and that would be good for something?
Sorry, I could not understand the question.
Like, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is your Instagram feed. Here there are some asanas you've been doing, right? Like, that would be good for something. Which one would you suggest? Like, can you make a verbally a walkthrough over here? Like,
See, it's a mix and match of.
for
Uh,
example, what is this?
this is a hatha form.
Mm-hmm. So, like, what kind of thing it can help people to, and how do you teach this?
So I cannot demonstrate right now.
Yeah, exactly. Like, but we are looking into your video. It is already on the screen.
Yeah, I cannot demonstrate right now. But
Mm,
it is a
yeah, yeah.
combination of, it requires a bit of core strength. It looks simple,
Mm-hmm.
but it is not actually very simple. It requires bit of balance, core strength.
Mm-hmm.
But many of my students,
Mm-hmm.
they enjoy this asana very much because it
Mm-hmm.
challenges their core.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're not able to balance like this, it can be done with the support of wall also.
Mm-hmm. This
So,
can be.
asan is not necessarily you do it exactly how a video is
Mm-hmm.
shot. Video is
Mm-hmm.
shot to to show the ideal or the best form,
Mm-hmm.
what as per location or whatever I am feeling. But
Mm-hmm.
everybody's journey is different. I don't
Yeah.
push people to do something for which their mind and body is not ready.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There are alternate ways also. So the
Mm-hmm.
core goal is to build flexibility, balance, and strength.
Like, for example,
It is
this is
not to.
what is this?
This is a bit Ashtanga form of
Mm-hmm.
asana.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because this is bit intense. Even I am not fully. I am just preparing for this. It is
Mm-hmm.
not
Mm-hmm.
in its fullest form, but it is
Mm-hmm.
the more intense form.
Mm-hmm.
It
Mm-hmm.
requires very much. It requires bit of more flexibility. It
Mm-hmm.
can. It many asanas, might not be good for everybody's health also. So a
Mm-hmm.
teacher should be knowledgeable enough to pick and
Tell us.
choose right set
Yeah.
of
Mm-hmm.
asanas.
Mm-hmm.
Even
Mm-hmm.
pranayam, many pranayams might not be good
Mm-hmm.
for every kind of people. So you have to pick and
So
choose.
this one.
This is also an ashtanga form.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What's the name? Is there any name for this?
No, it's a transition. I'm moving
Okay.
from one asana to other. There are multiple
Mm-hmm.
names. I don't want to complicate people's
Mm-hmm.
minds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's why I don't use the to show my gyan or like that. I use very
Mm-hmm.
simple words, that what is the goal which we are, which is
Okay, what
the
is that, very simply,
simply
this,
it helps in
what does it mean by transition? What do you mean by
transition
transition?
means to
Huh?
transition means to shift from one state of asana to other.
For
So you
example,
see,
in sun salute, there are six different asanas are there. So one movement, and asanas are between. There are asanas with the mantras. So one transition means one form to another. That's what you mean, like, or
sun
here what?
salutation is also a vinyasa.
Okay,
It's a flow.
okay. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Over here, what
You are
happened?
transitioning from, you're
Uh-huh.
transitioning from one to another. Yeah.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So, you want to show something to people so that they can understand in your Instagram feed, which you want me to pull out.
Mm, let me also check my Instagram. Like, which one? It's a combination. So what I'm trying to
Mm-hmm,
say here, ki you see,
mm-hmm,
I'm seeing working out and doing intense physical forms
mm-hmm,
in any location, in a
mm-hmm,
cafe, in a garden, on beach,
mm-hmm,
on
mm-hmm,
my
mm-hmm,
terrace, in my house. What
mm-hmm,
I'm trying to
mm-hmm,
show here is I'm not dependent on machines.
mm-hmm. But here in this, you are using a ball.
Yes, so that is for, you see, it is prenatal. You read
Mm-hmm.
the heading.
Prenatal second
So that ball is very a
trimester.
spongy,
No.
small ball. Specifically,
Mm-hmm,
I have shown this core exercise movements for
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
postnatal and second trimester onwards pregnancy women. That's not a
mm-hmm,
machine. I'm in a
mm-hmm.
garden.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm,
It's not
mm-hmm,
a heavy ball. It has no
mm-hmm,
weight.
mm-hmm,
It
mm-hmm,
is specifically for that condition. It can be
mm-hmm,
done by anybody. It's a very soft form,
mm-hmm,
but it is not a machine.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
You don't have to go to gym to do this.
Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. So there is something else you want me to show?
Hmm.
Like this is a form of vinyasa, right? Like, I mean, this is right.
You can go to my pinned post, top,
Okay.
the
Here,
first pose.
transitions,
The third pose you can go, the back bend, third one.
inversions. Yeah.
No, no, no. In my posts only, the
Mm-hmm.
first one,
Okay.
pinned pose. The first
Uh,
reel, my first reel.
breathe and tone.
Yeah,
Okay. This is inside a yoga center.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you
So these
want to
are
keep.
flows of
Mm-hmm.
asanas.
Mm-hmm.
These are different
Mm-hmm.
flows of asanas, and I am doing it for which my body is ready.
Mm-hmm.
I am trying to show
Mm-hmm.
what I have achieved through my journey,
Mm-hmm.
and I feel fit, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to show that fitness, that feeling to
Mm-hmm.
everybody.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like for example, when I do back bends, I show that
Mm-hmm.
I'm opening my heart to sky.
Mm-hmm.
When I'm going inverted,
Mm-hmm.
I feel grounded and I'm challenging my nervous system, because my nervous
Mm-hmm.
system is telling me that it's danger, but I'm challenged.
Mm-hmm.
Here also I'm opening my heart. Here also I'm
Mm-hmm.
challenging my nervous system. This is rejuvenation. It is
Mm-hmm.
a rejuvenation meditation mudra.
Okay.
It's a
Mm-hmm. What
mudra
does it do?
meditation.
What does it do?
It helps you meditate. It helps you focus more. There are
Mm-hmm.
different mudras also. So different
Mm-hmm.
mudras have different purpose.
Mm-hmm.
It helps in focus building, and which issue you want to solve
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
varies as per that. There are lakhs
Mm-hmm.
and lakhs of asanas. There are so many
Mm-hmm.
things. So you have to pick
Mm-hmm.
and choose,
Mm-hmm.
because we have limited time and energy also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. So, anything else you want to show?
It's
This
just that
is. Hmm. Yeah. What was that?
you can actually show my retreat. I am organizing retreats.
Mm-hmm.
So most of my students, I get few inquiries from different cities. Also, currently I'm in Hyderabad. So
Mm-hmm.
to cater to build my reach, I have started organizing retreats, wellness
Mm-hmm.
retreats, to
Mm-hmm.
multiple places. One
Mm-hmm.
is in July first week. It is 1 hour drive from Hyderabad only,
Mm-hmm.
and another is in August. I'm planning nearby Mumbai,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Karjat and nearby Thane,
Mm-hmm.
and Tamini Ghat. So it will be good for people near Mumbai, Pune. I get a lot of interest from that area as well.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll
Mm-hmm.
be planning from for northern India also,
Mm-hmm.
Chandigarh, Dehradun, Rishikesh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Rajasthan, Banaras. I'm
Mm-hmm.
planning for neighboring countries also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Goa and different
Mm-hmm.
other states within India and neighboring countries also. So I want to build
Mm-hmm.
my reach that way. So I want to organize these wellness retreats. I would
Mm-hmm.
request audience to, if you want to experience
Mm-hmm.
a fun but yet very grounding,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to learn some skill also and feel very good, healthy, but yet having
Mm-hmm.
fun
Mm-hmm.
as a good travel package, you
Mm-hmm.
can join me in these journey
Mm-hmm. So
and you
they
will
can
feel.
connect you in your Instagram feed and send you request or something that sort, right?
Yeah, they can. My WhatsApp number I openly share. They can
Mm-hmm.
directly connect me on WhatsApp also.
Mm-hmm. That they can how what is your WhatsApp number? We can talk about that later. So, like like let's imagine, like if you are going back to your native, which has been infected with Naxalism, when
That's not
you
my
are.
native. That's
Mm-hmm.
not my native. Because
Mm-hmm.
of my dad's
Mm-hmm.
job posting, I was there. That's not
Mm-hmm.
my native is a place called Satna, Riva,
Mm-hmm.
which is
Mm-hmm.
in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Riva, my native village is in Riva.
Mm-hmm.
Satna is a nearby city where many relatives live.
So if you got a chance to go back to the place where the you came in contact with the Naxalites, like would you be able to take your yoga practices along with that and try to convert them into something? Have you ever thought of that? Like.
See, there, I would love to take health based sessions there.
Mm-hmm.
I have not actually planned because it's a heavy Naxalite prone and CISF protected area.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot tell anything randomly.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot tell anything randomly. I have to plan something suitable for the place.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to do something there. I want to plan something there. But I cannot
Mm-hmm.
speak anything randomly because it is a well
Mm-hmm.
protected
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
zone. So I
Mm-hmm.
have to, because I am all alone. So I have to plan and think what to do.
Mm-hmm. 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 So, what a person can expect from a retreat which you are having?
See, from retreats, first of all, I keep it very much free flowing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we all will collect together where nobody will be judging each other.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a set routine. So many people,
Mm-hmm.
they find it a struggle in their day to day life
Mm-hmm.
to live a disciplined life, to create that discipline. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to
Mm-hmm.
trigger that.
Mm-hmm.
Once you sleep on time, wake up on time, eat healthy, do
Mm-hmm.
yoga, you talk freely,
Mm-hmm.
you express
Mm-hmm.
yourself completely,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and you release all your emotions, automatically
Mm-hmm.
you will feel mentally and physically better. And I
Mm-hmm.
want to equip these people that when they go back to their regular life, they continue
Mm-hmm.
following the same routine, at least try to
Mm-hmm.
follow the same routine, and then
Mm-hmm.
they can jump into another retreat. So they'll be traveling, but it will be a healthy travel. End of
Mm-hmm.
the day, they will not feel tired. They will feel
Mhm.
super energized. They'll feel really
Mhm.
happy. Also, they
Mhm.
learn new things which they can
Mhm.
practice
Mhm.
later. Also,
Mhm.
and I will be connected to them even after the
Mhm.
retreat. If they want to
Mhm.
talk to me about any issues or anything,
Mhm.
I
Mhm.
will stay connected throughout.
Mhm.
It will be like it's like instead of me traveling solo, I'm building
Mhm.
people around me
Mhm.
to
Mhm. Mhm.
enjoy together and
Mhm.
be healthy, a healthy
Mhm.
space.
Mhm. Mhm. So
Or
in India.
and I'm open
Mhm.
to ideas also. If somebody
Mhm.
suggests कि नेहा वहाँ पे we have seen this and this should be, why don't we do this, I'm open to ideas also.
Mhm. Maybe I
So
could show
you can
you
keep going.
something. Um, I'll show you something. So this is some Instagram feeds of there is something called rainbow, the which is like the people, those who generally outcasted from the society, and they what they do is like they go to the top of the mountain and do some singing, and whatever they feel like. So this is a clip from that, I think, s- yeah. This is with my friends. This is called the Benchara home. This is on the top of the hill. Can we expect something like this from the things which you are talking about, or how does it
Sorry, your
sounds
screen
like?
is not visible.
Okay, wait. Mm, yeah, what you are seeing is that the some of the friends which, they are basically like the people who comes out from the society and like to go to mountain top and celebrate in that particular way. So these are the clips from there.
Yeah, celebration will be there, but apart, it will
Mm-hmm.
not be just celebration.
Mm-hmm.
There will be yoga and meditation sessions also.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, whatever that place offers,
Mm-hmm.
many times the resorts which I choose are such that they offer many activities which are very unique
Mm-hmm.
experience for me also.
Mm-hmm.
I try to pick places like that which give good vibe and safe also, women friendly,
Mm-hmm.
solo traveler friendly. So what everybody enjoys.
This is actually solo traveling
For
friendly.
mountains, yes,
This is
it can go.
Himalayas. Actually, this is Himachal. This is something called the Parvati Valley in the
Hmm.
Himachal area. I don't know where you've been there. Or...
No, no, but I plan to go there. So whatever that every in India, every place is in India or every world, every place is unique. They have their
Mm-hmm.
own specialities. So yeah, that will be definitely covered.
So, to get an idea what a person can expect from the celebrations which you are planning, do you have something to show?
No, I have not captured that yet. I only
Mm-hmm.
capture the yoga part. Many
Mm-hmm.
times I don't capture those things. I
Mm-hmm.
keep it very, private.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I want people to express themselves freely.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I want them
Mm-hmm.
to feel free, express themselves rather than be conscious of camera and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yoga
Mm-hmm.
and meditation part I try to capture whatever is required
Mm-hmm.
for social media. But I'll try to
Mm-hmm.
capture more special moments.
Mm-hmm.
But mostly things will be private.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. People, like, are you thinking about doing something online, like, classes, recording the sessions and putting it online? Like, there are multiple platforms where people could actually host your events and steps like that. Have you ever thought of anything like that?
Yeah, definitely. On YouTube, I want to launch
Mm-hmm.
proper flow videos
Mm-hmm.
and such courses on different
Mm-hmm.
platforms. Even on Instagram, I have
Mm-hmm.
activated my subscribe button where
Mm-hmm.
people can subscribe and they can have the tutorials.
Mm-hmm.
They can see the actual tutorials behind an asan or
Mm-hmm.
AMA session anytime. They can ask me anything if they have any
Mm-hmm.
question. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I want to value all these things.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I want to build around that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You have anything else to say?
Mm, nothing as such. It's a journey. Wellness
Mm-hmm.
is always a journey, and everybody's journey is different and individualistic. So one
Mm-hmm.
should not be very much influenced and try to compare with others.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very important to have a right guide who gives
Mm-hmm.
you freedom and space to be yourself,
Mm-hmm.
and who understands and mature enough to understand your emotions
Mm-hmm.
rather than pushing you through something.
Is there any
Bec-
unfiltered gyan in this particular context?
this was an
Which you could.
unfiltered gyan that
Mm-hmm.
everybody's journey is individualistic.
Mm-hmm.
The other unfiltered gyan was people who call others crazy are the real crazy for me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And there is a gyan that our thinking, our
Mm-hmm.
perception is all, our thinking and perception is always limited.
Mm-hmm.
So one should not completely deny other people's experiences
Mm-hmm.
because their perception might or their experience you should try to learn and accept, be
Mm-hmm.
accept their thoughts and
Mm-hmm.
feelings, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
rather than going in your own unilateral direction. Nobody is perfect.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And another gyan is don't be over disciplined also.
Mm-hmm.
I believe my gut condition is also because of my over disciplined life,
Mm-hmm.
restricting my diet, not having this, not having that.
Mm-hmm.
That also spoils you sometime.
Mm-hmm.
So we are supposed to be robust, we are supposed to be digesting
Mm-hmm.
things. So do not, sometimes it's good to catch a break, relax
Mm-hmm.
yourself. Do
Mm-hmm.
not over stress for anything.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Mm-hmm.
not worth it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you for joining me today. So we are ending the um, and anybody want to connect with you, they can connect you through Instagram or WhatsApp, right? What is your WhatsApp number?
Okay, so it's
Mm-hmm.
92
Mm-hmm.
842
Mm-hmm.
85455.
Okay, that is in WhatsApp. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks a lot, Arun. I know you're